YouTube, it's Ashley. I just wanted to give you a little look of Long Island, New York after, this is day 3 of the blizzard. We can't leave our house still. I'll show you that our road is not plowed. Okay. So the tree looks a little bit better. It's rained today, so it doesn't look too bad. Like things are cleared off. We cleared off our cars and our driveway before it rained. But I think other people's driveways are getting cleared because of the rain. This is our road. It's getting, now that the rain's stopping, it's getting to be a bit foggy. But you can see that there has been no plow coming down our road since the whole storm. If you go down this street, it comes out into like another street, and that will bring you. Usually we go this way to go anywhere, but all the roads on that side down there are plowed. And here comes the car. We'll see what happens when it gets to around us. See? I think the only reason they are getting through is because there is a few trucks down the road that have used their big power to get through. You can see they're slipping and sliding. Now they're backing up because they're stuck. But no trucks have gone past our house. And so the only path is this footpath right here. It's quite well-packed footpath, and we did venture out yesterday to discover that it's only our road that's not plowed. But the plow guy said he keeps getting stuck, and that, you can see the car down there, that he needs somebody from the town/state to come and dig us out. And that hasn't happened yet. So we had to cancel my son's birthday. Today's his actual birthday. We can't leave the house. His party was supposed to be yesterday. We didn't get to that. Not only us, but some of his guest members wouldn't have been plowed out either. And my husband is going to venture out to get some food because I didn't think we were going to be stuck here this long. So I didn't do the grocery shopping. I intended to do it yesterday before his party. And I obviously couldn't do it. So hopefully my husband's going to try and walk to the store. It's not that far, but it's annoying, really, isn't it? Okay.